Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over how to properly follow up with your mortgage leads. My name is Will Anagnos. I'm the founder and CEO at W8 Marketing Solutions, and we help loan officers get more real estate agents in and outside of their network to work with them and establish long-term referral partnerships. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need in order to follow up properly with your leads is to have a CRM. You do not want to do things on a Google Sheet or in a notebook. You want to be organized in the times that we are living in. So you need to have a CRM, whether it's $1 a month or $500 a month. Get a CRM that's going to do what you need it to do to help you in your business. So that is the first step. The second step is to take that CRM and to build a pipeline into it. So if I go to our dashboard, a pipeline looks something kind of like this. Let's just filter to the realtor pipeline, where you have different stages. You have a lead going in at the top, and at the bottom you have them either converted into a partner or a lead closing on their loan. So let's go back to the opportunities tab and back to our pipelines. As you can see, we have many different pipelines, but you are just going to need to focus on two pipelines today. Build out a realtor pipeline with stage 1, stage 2 being a new lead, neutral response, they want to chat, a positive reply, or for your actual leads and borrowers. So, did you receive the lead? Was the appointment set? Is documentation missing? Is the application completed? Submitted for approval, pre-approval, and you can stack all your pre-approval leads here. So the second thing you need to have is have pipelines, at least one for your realtors and one for your borrowers in your CRM so that you can drag and drop them across where they need to be. So you know how many pre-approvals you currently have. The third thing you're going to need, now that you have a CRM, you have built your pipelines within your CRM with your stages, now you need to set up drip campaigns or follow-up campaigns to go out in the background. So let's say I drag and drop someone over to pre-approval. I'm going to want to make sure that they get some sort of congratulations on your pre-approval email. And I want that to happen automatically. So I'm going to hop into workflows and show you what that looks like. So we're back. This is an example of a workflow. So if I were to take one of my realtor contacts and I would drag them into stage 5, that means that I've converted them into a partner. I consider them a referral partner of mine. Well, a little notification goes out to the users, that would be me or someone else. A notification would go out to whoever else you need, maybe your assistant. You could remove the tag new realtor contact and add the tag contact for nurture, so you know who's a pending partner and who's a partner you're currently nurturing long term. And if you want them to receive any emails, then they could receive a notification or an email just by dragging and dropping them into stage 5. So let's go back to the pipeline and show you guys that again. And so if I were to take my test 2 contact from my realtor pipeline, this could be a realtor partner I met on LinkedIn, for example. If I were to drag them over and put them into stage 5, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to trigger the automation, but if I were to put them there, I'm going to put them here for now, but if I were to put them in stage 5, then that contact would receive an email or a text message, and then that follow-up drip can start to initiate. Now your drip can be every week, every month, it can be quarterly. It depends on what kind of realtor contact or lead you're working with. So you can not only do this for your realtors, but if you want to automate your follow-up for your leads, let's say that you have a lead that needs some credit help. Instead of you having to follow up each week, just have an email automatically go out to them each week, which you can create a workflow for. And that way, you have a legitimate CRM where all your leads are being stored. You have a pipeline or multiple pipelines, in this case, a leads pipeline and a realtor pipeline, to organize all of your contacts. And depending on where you put your contacts, they'll get put into a nurture workflow or a follow-up workflow that you can build all within the system. And so that's really it. That's how you work your leads in a not so time-consuming fashion, where it's also they're going to like the fact that you're persistent and not forgetting about them. The biggest problem that I see lenders face with is communication, unfortunately. So that's a strength of yours, and you can even double down on that, getting the system. If you have a system like this, then I recommend you use these 3 steps and build one like yourself for yourself. If you guys don't have this and you want this implemented in your business, this database is just $150 per month to start, and that's before we add all the bells and whistles. And so if you're looking for a platform where you can actually take your business a little bit more seriously and get off of that Google sheet so that you can actually automate your follow-ups as well and organize your leads, then this is something that I would consider. You can probably set this up on your own using a vast majority of CRMs in the world, but if you like our stuff and you like our style, then I guess starting with our database hosting software is the way to go. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.